What decision should you make in faith today? What if the decision you've been waiting to make is actually a decision God is asking you to make in faith? Not when you feel ready or have every detail figured out. Today, I want to challenge you to make one decision in faith. Stop waiting for certainty and start taking the next step. Because sometimes we keep saying, I'm praying about it, when deep down we already know what God is asking us to do. We're just afraid of failing, afraid of making the wrong decision, afraid that if we step out, it won't work. Faith doesn't mean you know exactly how everything will work out. Faith means you trust God enough to make the next step. In Hebrew 11 verse 1 says, Now faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. You may not see the whole road, you may only see the next step. Maybe your next step is starting that business, or finally applying for that opportunity, or having that difficult conversation, or maybe it's getting serious about your finances, or becoming disciplined with your time. Maybe it's letting go of something God is telling you to release.